I'm sitting in a 2003 Infiniti I35. We have no key. We're going to program one key. Here's our key right here. Our security light is on the left side of the bottom left of the instrument cluster. You can see it blinking. I'm going to go ahead, turn the key on. In 1 second, I got to turn the wheel. There we go. Now you can see that the security light is on. I mean, the key is not programmed. So let's get started. Nissan. We'll go escape, go Infiniti. There's no I35, so let's go ahead and pick an equivalent on the Nissan menu here. Pick Ultima. I'm going to pick a 2002 Vintage. It's on the same system. Mobilizer 4. Program key. Ignition's on. Is this a fixed pin code? Yes, it is. Enter. Okay. Okay, let's look at the security light. We're going to turn the key on. Security light is out. That's what we're looking for. No more keys. Now we're going to take the key, turn it off, turn it back on, look at the security light. Should be out. It's out. From this point, we are done. The machine's not needed anymore. Let's take the key out. Wait for the light to start blinking. Okay. Stick the key in. If the key is good, the light will go out. There we go. If the key wasn't programmed, the light would go solid, but it would start 3 times in a row. So make sure that security light's out. Start it up. We are done.